Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of DSLR cameras, specifically looking at the upcoming Pentax K-1 Mark III. In an era dominated by mirrorless systems, Pentax is rumored to make a significant return to the scene with a camera that might just challenge the status quo and potentially lead a full-frame photography revolution. Let's break down the rumors and explore what makes the K-1 Mark III an exciting prospect for both professional photographers and serious enthusiasts. The Pentax K-1 Mark III, a game changer? It seems that the days of the DSLR are far from over, and Pentax is ready to prove it with their rumored K-1 Mark III. This camera could offer a striking new option for those who've been loyal to their DSLR roots, particularly those who haven't fully embraced the mirrorless shift. Imagine capturing stunning, high-resolution images with a camera that promises incredible low-light performance, superior autofocus, and a wealth of features that may give mirrorless rivals a run for their money. Unprecedented resolution with the 61-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor. One of the most thrilling rumors surrounding the K-1 Mark III is its potential 61-megapixel sensor. For reference, the current generation of high-end DSLRs offers around 30-40 megapixels. A 61-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor would almost double that number, offering amazing image detail and depth. But why does this matter so much? For landscape photographers, large format prints, or anyone who enjoys cropping in on details without losing clarity, this higher resolution could be a game changer. Whether you're photographing sweeping landscapes or zooming in on fine details, this resolution could provide unprecedented sharpness. The backside illuminated sensor also has the advantage of better light gathering. This means the K-1 Mark III could deliver clear, crisp images even in low-light environments. Starry skies, cityscapes at night, imagine those in perfect focus with minimal noise, something that many competing cameras struggle with. Autofocus system, speed and precision for every shot. Another exciting rumor circulating around the K-1 Mark III is the introduction of the Safiox 14 autofocus system. If true, this could bring Pentax's autofocus capabilities to a whole new level. Faster, more precise focusing with additional tracking points means that whether you're photographing moving wildlife or capturing fast-paced action like sports, or even birds in flight, the camera could rival the speed and accuracy of top-tier mirrorless systems. It's perfect for capturing split-second moments with high precision, a critical feature for professional photographers who need reliability in dynamic environments. Hybrid features for filmmakers, 4K video recording and stabilization. Historically, Pentax hasn't been known for its video features. But with the K-1 Mark III, that could change. Rumors suggest that this camera might offer 4K video recording capabilities, which would be a major step forward. For hybrid shooters who need both stunning stills and high-quality video, this could make the K-1 Mark III a true all-rounder. Additionally, in-body stabilization is also expected to make an appearance. This feature helps reduce camera shake, making handheld shooting much easier and smoother, especially in low-light situations where longer shutter speeds are necessary. Filmmakers looking to capture steady shots without a gimbal could find this feature incredibly useful. Astrophotography and rugged durability. Pentax has always had a strong following among astrophotographers. And with the K-1 Mark III, it's clear that they're keeping this tradition alive. The inclusion of AstroRacer functionality, a feature designed to compensate for Earth's rotation, would make long-exposure astrophotography more accessible without the star trails. Whether you're capturing the night sky or tracking celestial bodies, this camera is expected to deliver excellent results for enthusiasts of this genre. And it wouldn't be a Pentax product without durability. Expect a fully weather-sealed body that's rugged enough to handle extreme conditions, from snowstorms to deserts. The design also reportedly includes a new joystick and touchscreen interface, which could greatly enhance usability and ease of operation in the field. The price and competition rumors suggest the price tag for the K-1 Mark III will hover around $4,500, a considerable jump from its predecessor, the K-1 Mark II. This price increase could be a point of contention for some, but if the camera delivers on its rumored features, it may justify the investment for professionals who demand the best in resolution, performance, and build quality. In terms of competition, the K-1 Mark III would directly compete with cameras like the Nikon D850, which offers a 45.7 megapixel full-frame sensor, and the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV, with its solid performance in both photography and video. But while Nikon and Canon might have broader lens ecosystems, Pentax's advantage lies in its incredible value proposition, especially for those who prioritize durability, resolution, and low-light performance. Is the Pentax K-1 Mark III the DSLR's last stand? The mirrorless revolution has certainly taken over the industry, but the Pentax K-1 Mark III shows that there's still room for the DSLR to thrive. With its cutting-edge resolution, top-tier autofocus, and a robust feature set, this camera could be the ultimate comeback for Pentax, offering a powerful alternative to the mirrorless giants. For those who value the optical viewfinder experience, build quality, and the unmatched durability of DSLRs, the K-1 Mark III could be exactly what you've been waiting for. It would be a perfect choice for landscape photographers, studio pros, and anyone who needs an incredibly detailed image with excellent color rendition. However, the mirrorless cameras are undeniably moving faster in terms of technological advancements, with new models from Sony, Canon, and Nikon constantly pushing the envelope. So, the question remains, will the K-1 Mark III be enough to sway photographers who have already committed to mirrorless systems? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Would you choose a DSLR like the Pentax K-1 Mark III, or are you ready to embrace mirrorless for good? Stay tuned for more updates and reviews on upcoming camera gear and innovations in photography technology. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this information useful.